Samuel lay down by the temple light, a quiet little room in the hush of night. He heard his name, soft and clear. He ran to Eli, "Did you call me here?" Then the voice came again, gentle and true. "Samuel, Samuel, I'm speaking to you." "Speak, Lord, I'm listening. Guide my heart today. Speak, Lord, I'm listening. Show me your way. Speak, Lord, I'm listening. I will hear and obey. Speak, Lord, I'm listening. Guide my heart today." When God speaks low, we can still be near. Open up our ears and our hearts to hear. Like Samuel did, we will say, "Speak, Lord, here I am. Lead me on today." Then the voice came again, gentle and true. "Samuel, Samuel, I'm speaking to